Me and my kicks, 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 me and my kicks.
What is going on, YouTube? It's your favorite YouTuber, me and my kicks, and today I went to like a small sneaker convention called the Southside Sneaker Summit. It was located at the Croc Center in like the south side of Chicago. It was just, you know, something to do on a Saturday afternoon, so I figured I'd go ahead and vlog it. Also, before I went to that place, I went to the Nike outlet in Southside Chicago. I vlogged both places and I put it together in the video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up. Also, comment down below what's the best shoe you've seen in this video. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. Takes nothing but a couple of seconds and you'll be notified of when I drop future videos. Now, enough talking. Let's get into this vlog. They must have recently restocked on these shoes because I haven't seen these in a minute. If they had additional 30% off, I'd cop these, but $250 is just a little bit too high. I'd get these for like $180 though. It's a nice little Jordan 5 premium. They got a nice little size run in it too. They got the Rookie of the Year Legacy 312s. Definitely not a fan of this colorway. They want 110. Still pass on these for that price. Still got these premium futures here. 74 plus 20% off, make them around like $60. And no McFly KOF, they do not have your size in these. It's not a bad Air Max 97 for the ladies. Like a Texas Longhorns colorway, burnt orange with the white. Go the same shoe for the ladies and like pink and white. This one not bad either. Got the Melo 13s for the big kids, $80 retail. Got the Jordan 11 Platinums for the kids as well, $115. A little bit too high for the kids version in my opinion. For the big footers, this is definitely a steal. They got the 16s. This is in the size 17 and they got them on sale for $80 plus 20% off. So that's like $70. It's not bad at all. These 95s just came out and they over here at the hash wall. So they probably retail plus 20% off. These probably like $150. These not bad at all. Never seen this colorway in the 270s before. It's like a black, orange and white. What they want for these, probably retail, and retail is $150. So $150 plus 20% off, make them like $30. Not bad for these. Got some triple black Kyries for what, $100. So 20% off, make them like $80. That's not bad. Over here in the clearance apparel section, they got this Tom Brady Super Bowl joint for, I want to say it's like $100 plus 30% off, make about like $70. But this is not the authentic joint. Like, it's just the ironed on letters. I like that Super Bowl patch. Also, congrats to the Patriots for winning the Super Bowl. Y'all definitely killed it in one of the most boringest games ever. But hey, 6 championships is 6 championships. All right, guys, that's the end of the Nike outlet portion of the vlog. Now we're about to get into the Southside Sneaker Summit. And I recorded this video after I went to the event. So overall, it wasn't really a good turnout. Like, it was more vendors than people actually buying stuff. Like, I don't really think that the person who was in charge of it really like did promo like they should have. I heard about the event maybe 2 to 3 days before the event was like going to pop up. So hopefully the owner takes this as a lesson and learns to promo more, because a lot of vendors there was like extra mad that they like wasted their time, because a lot of people came from like Wisconsin, Indiana, and like they came from like 3-4 hours of drive and they didn't make any money at all, man. I really didn't cop any shoes at this event, but I did cop some merch. And what I picked up is like you could say it's like a jogging suit. You got the hoodie right here, it says Resale Gang, got that little drip pattern, and this is cut and sew, great quality, not like ironed on or printed on or anything like that. This is real, like stitched in stuff. On the right side of the hood, it says Resale, and then on the other side, it got Gang, so it's pretty decent. Then on the back, it says Ben Goat, got that drip pattern going on there as well. And then at the bottom, it got like money signs. You know, it's pretty decent. Just overall, man, it's definitely on point and great materials. And I also bought the pants that go with it. But in the crotch area, it says Ben Goat as well. So It says Ben Gold on the bottom, then it got Resale Gang up top, and it's also cut and sew as well, so you know, great quality. For the hoodie and the pants, I paid $90 for them. Like on his website, he's charging a little bit more than that. But I've been wanting to get this like hoodie combination for a minute. I just didn't really have the money. But since he was there and I had the money, I figured I'd go ahead and buy it. So if you ever interested in buying something like that, go to flytechicagoheat.com. I'll put the link below me. I'll also put the link in the description. If you want this hoodie, I want to say he got the same hoodie in white and black. And he also got some more merch on there, man. So definitely check him out. I know the owner. He got some crazy like PE heat. And overall, man, it's definitely a great person. But let me stop talking and let's get into this sneaker convention. I haven't seen these in a minute. I want to say these the Osanuka ASIC Tigers. Bruce Lee edition. Definitely a great shoe. I wish they made like a Gel Light 3 in this colorway. I definitely copy, man. Got the infrared 6s in hand. And these not bad at all. I like the infrared color on here. A lot of people say it's too light, but I think these are way better than the ones that came out like 2-3 years ago. Got that Nike Air on the back. And also it got the 3M. Let me go ahead and turn that flash on. Got that flag, got that 3M popping right there. I'm definitely gonna get these, man. I wanted to like wait and hopefully get these on sale, but I think the people gonna be thirsty and grab these like crazy. Got the Adidas Ultra Boost mids, the run through times. This was like the third shoe I reviewed on my channel. I had to delete this one because it got hit with copyrights, but this is definitely a nice shoe, especially for anyone who loves the Chicago Cubs. Definitely gotta get this shoe. Got the Fear God. I want to say these are shoot arounds. Not a bad shoe. I like this part about it. This like clear sole. Retail on these is like $350. If I could have got this retail, I'd have copped, but I definitely ain't paying resale on these. Resale like $700-800. Not bad though. I haven't seen these ACG boosts before. The colorway pretty decent. I'm not really a fan of the silhouette though. Not bad. Got these Raf Simmons. Retail on these is $150. It's a nice little shoe. You can wear these like casually, and you can also like rock these out in the streets. Not bad at all. I still got to get these shoes, man. I'm mad I slipped out on these. These the UNC 11 lows. It look like they had got this shoe close to the receipt because the receipt bled off into that little icy sole part. So if you got these shoes, do not keep them near your receipts because that definitely bled into the sole right there. But definitely a clean shoe, man. Got some custom 13s right here made after the 49ers. Got 49er on the tongue right here. Not a bad custom. It's pretty decent. Like the little switch up, man. I remember when I had got these shoes when these first came out. I rocked these so crazy that that this material yellowed over time. I hope they retro these. I definitely gotta get another pair of these. These I forgot the name of these shoes, man. The Rising Flag or Rising Sun 12s. They go to Chinese New Year 4s with the red rubbed off on them. In my opinion, I'm not really a fan when you rub the material down because it really looks pink. It doesn't really look white and red. It just look pink. What you guys think about it? Comment down below. Not really a fan of the rub down. I still haven't reviewed my pair of these yet, man. The Clot 13 lows. This is so crazy. A great shoe. I'm so glad I was able to get these off sneakers, man. Man, I love this detailing on the side right here. They're supposed to be dropping like a black and infrared Clot 13 low, but these kill lows, man. Like just the details on this shoe, all overall, just crazy. That box crazy too. I really need to review these, man. I've been slipping, man. Great shoe right here. Got the Fear of God blacks and got the whites right there. Pretty decent, man. A great shoe. What was retail on this? $350. Man, and resale like probably like $8, $9ish. If that, yeah. I mean, woo. Yeah, man. Too rich for my blood, but I definitely can look at them, man. I definitely can look at them, man. All right, y'all, leaving the event. Overall, it was decent. Like, it could have been a little bit more publicized because it was kind of dead in there. Like, it was maybe like...
Get hit by a cop.
Yeah, crazy. I ain't gonna get hit, man, but it was like maybe like 20, maybe 30 people in there, and it was more vendors than damn near sellers. So hopefully they get it better the next time. But as always, man, hit your boy up, subscribe to me, hit that notification bell.
And subscribe to your boy PM Kicks, man. The venue could have been way better, man. They need to do some more promo.
And they definitely need to do more promo, man. But make sure you subscribe to join the Playmaker.
Gang, man.
Man, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Also, comment down below what's the best shoe that you've seen in this video. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. Takes nothing but a couple seconds, and you'll be notified for when I drop future videos.